What is Salesforce? I get asked this all the time. The typical conversation goes, "Oh, what do you do?" Actually, I work on the #1 cloud-based CRM platform in the world, Salesforce. And I get blank stares. There are plenty of other videos that explain what Salesforce is and does, which I've linked to below, but in a nutshell, Salesforce and CRMs are used to store information about whatever product or service your company sells or does. Think of an insanely overpowered Excel or database for businesses. Salesforce has a ridiculous amount of customization and features, which makes it a little overwhelming at times, but allows you to do almost anything. The key here is companies big and small use Salesforce to get stuff done. And somebody, preferably you, has to set up and maintain Salesforce. That means jobs. Don't just take my word for it. Search Salesforce in your favorite job posting site and see what comes up. There are many different career paths you can take depending on what you want to learn, who you want to work for, or what you want to do. Are you a team player collaborating with others to get stuff done? Consider being a Salesforce admin. What about working remotely from a tropical beach? Well, maybe being a freelance Salesforce developer is good for you. Or go the Salesforce consultant route, tackling problems that companies come to you, since you're the expert, for answers. The beauty of all of this is that your Salesforce career is what you make it. Anyone can be a Salesforce professional. It's all about taking the first step and believing in yourself, just like I believe in you. If you're looking for a career change in a highly sought after field, or to increase your Salesforce knowledge to land that next big job, this course is for you. Sign up today at salesforcementor.com. If this video was helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe so you'll always be updated for any additional videos that I'm coming out with. Comment down below letting me know what I should explain next.